This is a new Fujitsu mini split inverter heat pump. No, it's not. HVAC Explorations is currently live.
Yes, we are.
It has been cycling in cool mode, but since it's been cooling off...
I actually shut it off when I was up there. So.
Oh, okay, so it shouldn't turn on now.
It's off now.
I already got my startup shut down, so there's no reason to run it now.
Yeah, it's off. So here's my Fujitsu.
I don't know why it says split type air conditioner on the data sheet.
You'll see that when we leave, my friend. If only I could switch to the wide lens, but now here's my Fujitsu. I love this thing. It's beautiful. Good build quality.
Does its job.
And it runs good. It's super quiet. You don't hear it at all. You can wet the coil. Inverters have more character than people say they do. If you go wet the coil with like the water hose, the fan will just be chopping along.
It would slow down, yeah.
Because it builds,
to like bare minimum speed if it's in cool mode.
If it's in cool mode.
The compressor's quiet, but when the fan's at full speed, you can hear that thing chugging along. And here's the scrap pile. A couple new things have been added since my last visit. Excuse me, I gotta open the gate. If I can, there you go. Trane XB1000 central air conditioner. There's a larger one right there. This is from '97, 25 years old. It's a 2-ton, and we got a little CKC. That's the old CKC that unit replaced. And this one came from one of his customers. I know this looks very identical to the unit this one replaced, but it's not the same one. See what year this one is. I'd guess maybe 2001. I think I've gotten the data on this one before. Oh no, this is '97. And we got an old ICP and like 4 or 5 sets of blades. Some motors and suction line guards. Oh no, that might be a high side foam thing. This one looks like it has a fairly new capacitor. I got an evaporator right there.
There's my 2019 Comfort-Aire. I need to check something. Give me 1 sec.
Early 90s Linux right there. You can see the logo right there. And printed in the side of the condenser.
So when I leave here, let's get some light. So
this is from '91.
You ready?
Just 1.5 ton. Yeah, I guess we'll do
Might
it.
as well add that to the video.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start.
Because why not?
Because we can. All right, let's do it.
This unit was hosed down a little bit earlier, and it just sprayed out a little bit of water, as you saw there.
Here's the disconnect. It goes to the main split and the.
It almost looks like a 3-phase disconnect.
It's a nice disconnect. I don't like the fact that it closed all the way.
It's hooked up to both units, so that's why it's doubled.
Comfort-Aires too. New disconnect put on. They did the main split. So that was the Comfort-Aire. The good one is actually off. But hey,
I don't see any reason to turn that one on.
Data.
And there's the 2001 Trane XB1000 right there.
Yep. Yeah, well. Yep. Bye.
And these are all straight cool. Guess I'll add something else to the video while I'm on the record.
Hey, Casper.
Including the cat.
Hey, what?
We have a 1993 Comfort-Aire window heat pump. I got a startup, shutdown, and heat mode, and a full defrost cycle of this one about an hour ago. And we got the refurbished 1986 Whirlpool. Obviously, that's not the original paint. This was repainted, hooked up on the patio, and it can be ran if it's wired up to the electrical box there. 220 volt. Wait, what?
This is mine.
Yeah, I left mine on that chair right there.
We can hit the roof.
Just nuzzling against this little stroller or whatever this thing is right here.
I got my pillow. That's like the term. It's the word of the day.
LG window unit. And this is the Frigidaire heat pump. in the home.
I'll satisfy you with 2 seconds of showing it.
And I guess that'll wrap this video up. We're gonna be hitting the road here in a minute. It's already like almost 9 p.m. so it'll be close to 11 by the time I get home.
Good?
Yep.
You sure you don't want it stuck in your truck?
No. You gonna shut it down?
No, I'll do that. I don't know what it is. I know that it's a garage roll.